Butter and banana, what a combination. Now guys, I use butter and banana on my skin for 2 weeks. Now after 2 weeks, you really want to see what this did to my skin. This is a combination that I would basically frown on because butter tend to be something that seems like it would clog the pores. It basically could leave my skin greasy and all of that. But guess what? If you want to see what butter and banana did to my skin after using it for 14 days, continue watching this video. Now first I'm going to show you how I prepare the mixture, then I'm going to show you how I use the mixture, and then I'm going to show you my result after 14 days. Now the first ingredient is banana, and I'm using a large ripe banana. You want to make sure that it is ripe. Our second ingredient is butter, and I'm using about 2 tablespoons of butter. You want to make sure the butter is unsalted butter. So to begin, I'm first going to prepare the banana, and I'm using half of a large banana. So first I'm going to peel the banana for blending. Now peeling a banana is pretty easy. You just want to cut down the back and it is peeled. Next, I'm going to chop the banana since I'm going to be blending this. After chopping the banana, I'm now going to extract the inner peel. If you watch my channel, you know definitely that I do not throw this part out, as I personally think that it is even better than using the banana flesh itself. The banana peel has so many nutrients and vitamins and minerals that is really great for the skin. So here we have our chopped banana and banana peel. And now I'm going to place these in the blender for blending. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of butter. Now do not use margarine. You need to use pure butter. Now do not add any water to this. We do not need water, no form of liquid. Just blend the banana and butter together. And this is what it looked like. Really creamy. So now I'm going to pour this in a bowl, and you can choose to store this in your refrigerator in a glass container. However, you want to make sure to mix it when you take it out. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. And here is our butter banana facial cream. So I'm going to move on to show you how to use this facial cream. And here I have the facial cream in my bowl, and I'm going to mix it. Always remember to stir. Now I'm going to take some and I'm going to put it on my hands, because I'm going to use it on my face like basically exfoliating my skin. So I'm going to apply this to the skin, and you want to cover your entire face with this. Feel free to massage it in the skin. It's also perfect for your sagging skin, your neck and also your décolleté area. Now I like to have fun with it. I like to just plaster it all over my face and then I massage it in. And as you can see how really creamy this is, and this feels really good on my skin. The texture is so soft and so smooth, and just by applying it on my skin I can already feel how soft and supple my skin is. So you want to sit with this after you apply it on your skin for about 30 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse this off with some warm water. Right now I'm just sitting with it, playing with it, because it feels good not only on your face but also on your hands. So just massage this in and you are gonna be so amazed. You can basically just look at my skin while watching this video and see a huge difference on my skin. For the entire week I used this, my face was basically moisturized and I was glowing all week. So this is what it looked like on my skin up close. And now I'm going to take off the excess with a soft tissue cloth before I wash my face. You do not need to mess your bathroom or your face base up, so use a soft cloth to remove any excess on your skin. And this is what my skin looked like after removing the facial. Don't forget not to use salted butter, and salted butter is best. And you can also choose to add some aloe vera to this mixture. Just put a little twist on it. Okay, so there you have it. Now let's take a look at the ingredients. Using butter and paste regularly will leave it hydrated, soft, and glowing. Butter helps to decrease skin roughness. Butter also helps diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and believe it or not, correct skin pigmentation issues as well. Butter contains plenty of potent antioxidants, vitamin A and E, which are essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. If your skin is deficient in vitamin A, it can become dry, rough, and flaky, among other things. Vitamin E not only prevents free radical damage that cause skin discoloration, such as dark spots and age spots, it is also a super effective hydrating agent to help skin replenish lost moisture due to various factors like aging, poorly balanced diet, and environmental damage. Banana. Banana is rich in antioxidants. It can help to hydrate and moisturize dry skin, making it soft and supple. Banana is a great exfoliator which helps slouch off excess sebum and skin surface. It also contains potassium and vitamin E and C, which all promote clear, glowing skin. What I found is that my skin is radiant, and I do understand that I have makeup on right now, but you could basically see below all of that how glowing my skin is. My skin is now soft and supple, and believe it or not, my skin is also much tighter. So if you are struggling with dry skin, I would recommend that you use this. Don't be shy about the butter. Don't think it's gonna clog your pores. It is actually gonna make your skin softer, radiant, and younger looking. And that is what the butter and banana did to my skin. And believe it or not, this is something that I definitely will continue to use on my skin. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comment, and if this was the first time watching, look below. You're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.